passion. I think this is what drove me towards physics. But because of circumstances, my dad was drawn towards computer science. But we ended up here in the US, which is good for me because usually in this country you're allowed to pick your own job. But as you know, with every Indian parent, those freedoms are squeezed. My mom, ever since she was a kid, she wanted to become a doctor. And she came so close to that path. And then something went wrong. And she didn't become a doctor, and she gave up. And now she wants to see that profession in her children. My brother says he wants to become a doctor, but we all know he's going to become an actor. But I hope I can make my mom change her mind about this. Well, physics has its ups and downs. Like, say, you work on a project for 15 years, and you do this research, and suddenly, boom, new evidence comes out that proves all that research wrong. Then all those 15 years of research are trash, right? Well, nowadays, it's all about the money, right? Well, I think as a good physicist, you can be paid a sustainable amount of money. But if you want satisfaction from your work, you shouldn't be thinking about your money. You should be